Hello everybody, CryptoChaperone here, and it is first thing in the morning. I have just woken up and I looked at the markets and I just knew I had to make a video. Today, over the night, we have actually hit the $200 billion market cap. That is a huge milestone for cryptocurrencies, and I knew as soon as I woke up, it was still actually in the $200 billion area like 5 minutes ago when I checked it, but by the time I set all my stuff up and got this video going, it actually had dropped out of the 200 million or billion-dollar area. But yep, if we look right up here, we hit $201 billion, and we were about above 200 billion for a little while last night. This is great news for the cryptocurrency world. I know I haven't been awake for very long, so my mind's not really working to the maximum extent right now, but my word's going to be getting a little tangled up. Just pretty much, this is a great news for all cryptocurrencies because, as you can see, it is a great day of green. Last night I went to bed and it was still a little bit of red markets, and I tried to tell people in the Telegram channel to potentially just watch for any coins that took a sudden dip at the last second, like I used, for example, Manetha and District 0x. And those coins, there was just a sudden drop in their price just because people were jumping into, I'm assuming, Bitcoin to take advantage of all the skyrocketing price of that. I mean, Bitcoin's got a straight up diagonal here. So we're eventually going to see Bitcoin level off. A lot of profit's going to start getting taken out of that. And a lot of money is going to start to flow into other cryptocurrencies, assumingly, especially up as the SegWit 2x fork approaches in the next 2 weeks. We're definitely going to see a lot of shifting markets. Bitcoin Cash has been getting a huge spike. I've seen a lot of people talking about Bitcoin Cash lately, but I don't think it's not going to be the Bitcoin in the future. I mean, Bitcoin is the real Bitcoin, and then maybe like second place I'd put Bitcoin Cash, but if you're not first, you're last, Ricky Bobby. Just huge news with this $200 billion market cap. I am still very behind my words of the $250 billion market cap by the end of 2017. I think it's definitely going to hit. If we can add $25 billion to our market cap over the course of like a week, there's no reason why we can't add 50 billion to our market cap over the next almost 2 months. So we should definitely see 250 to maybe $300 billion in our market cap. I think we should hit that potentially in 2017, but you have to realize that a lot of companies at the end of the year, they have to make their books go green. So if there are any businesses who are invested in Bitcoin, they might be taking out some of their money to potentially make their business look a little better, make their investments look a little better. Bitcoin, as we see, it is rocketing up. It's hit another all-time high. I think it hit up over $7,400 last night. We can check out our one-day charts, and just all this news for Bitcoin is just causing so much. We hit about 74, a little over 7450, so 7500 is going to be about our next milestone. I think we're going to hit small time. I think we might get to 7500, maybe to like 7700, and then we're going to see a decent pullback. I think we're going to go down into like the low 6000s. Definitely, personally, in my opinion, this would not be a time to invest in Bitcoin unless you are willing to hold it in the long term. If you are somebody who has fiat cash and you're trading between altcoins and Bitcoin and stuff like that in your portfolio, and you are waiting to put in more fiat cash, I would either buy altcoins at this point or just hold your fiat until Bitcoin does drop a little bit more before you're going to put any more money into the market. I think right now the money that you see coming in is kind of just like the bigger money, all the money that is excited about the futures exchange news and all that. People who haven't really heard anything of Bitcoin or aren't really invested in Bitcoin and just kind of buying it because of that news. And aside from that, I'm sure everybody that is setting up kind of like sell walls and all the resistance on Bitcoin probably pulled it during the news just because there was so much potential to get more profits. And also something else I was thinking about in Bitcoin, you do have to realize that a lot of this resistance could be caused by the same people who are buying Bitcoin. So once Bitcoin gets up to like 7,500, if you have the potential to push it back down to 6,000 so you can acquire more, obviously you're going to do that. So you have to understand that there are entities out there, big mining corporations and stuff, who have so much money, so many Bitcoins, and they're willing to invest more because they know that this is the future. So you're going to see so much fluctuating in the Bitcoin market and all cryptocurrency markets. I think that's a main reason why you see so much resistance in cryptocurrencies, is because there's so much potential for them. And you have these big investors and holders who already have them or want more of them, and they just put up buy walls of coins that they already have with no intention of really selling them, just to kind of push the price down so they can acquire more. Or they put up big sell walls to push the price up so they could sell maybe some of their coins, and then they know the price will drop back down and they'll just acquire more at a lower price. And it's really like kind of a dog eat dog world out there. You can take your same aspects of trading in stock markets and all that and bring it in here, and you pretty much can't really be looking out for one another in stock markets. It's it's literally dog eat dog. Other than that, this is just a quick video for the morning. But yeah, I mean, cryptocurrencies, they are going to eventually be just the new tech stocks, I think, until it gets regulated. You are going to have just so much volatility, so much room to make money, and so much money is going to be coming in because they see all of this opportunity. So that is pretty much all I'm going to have for right now. Since it's so early in the morning, this is not going to be my video for the day. I have a couple videos that I'm working on, some ICO reviews that I know I've been talking about, but I'm still like just trying to get them all right before I record the videos and stuff. I want to come out with a little bit of information about the whole Bit Petite situation. I just thought this was something that was pretty big in the cryptocurrency world that I needed to come out with and talk about right now. $200 billion is a huge milestone in cryptocurrencies. That is, I think we were at like 12 to 15 billion at the beginning of 2017. So we've gone up 178 or yeah, 188 billion dollars actually. 185 to 188 billion dollars about in 2017. And the year's not even over. We could potentially see another 50 to 100 billion dollars come into the market this year. And I think 2018 is going to be crazy. We might hit $1 trillion market next year. And Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to be the new stock, the new transfer of wealth. And if you have not gotten into it yet, it is your time. And if you have not subscribed to me yet, I think you should, because that will also give you the opportunity to win a Ledger Nano S that I'm going to be giving away in probably a couple months. I still haven't made the official video for that yet, but it's going to be when I hit a certain number of subscribers. I'll give that away to one of the subscribers. But you guys just have a great day, and I'll be talking to you later. Enjoy.